It is homework for the Kebumen Regency government to map this area more thoroughly, sort out its valuable metal content and assess its economic feasibility for mining. Apart from that, the existence of Karangbolong's ancient volcanoes, if properly managed, can be a factor in increasing the attractiveness of tourist attractions here. Geopark Kebumen Central Java Indonesia Karangbolong, ancient volcano stretches on the Kebumen coast. The warehouse is an exotic beach. Perhaps that is the what that will be sight when we walk along the coast of Kebumen Regency, Central Java. Why not? There are many beautiful beaches that can be found in the district, which has a coastline of 58 kilometers. If we start from the east while following the southern highway, which is still under construction and is more popular with the acronym JSS route, we will come across the lagoon and flat Lembu Purwo Beach. Moving slightly to the west, you will find the flat Bocor Beach, which is 40 feet with sand dunes. Here there are semi-permanent freshwater swimming pools which were deliberately created with the water coming from shallow wells drilled right on the shoreline. Moving further west, you will find Tegal Retno Beach, a virgin beach which is also flat and has a lagoon. Turning west again, we will meet Karanggadung Petanahan Beach, which is already popular. This beach is also a flat beach decorated with sand dunes. The sand dunes continue to stretch west until they approach Suwuk Beach. However, more exotic beaches can only be found when we arrive at Tanjung Karangbolong, an area of limestone hills that hangs down to the shoreline and presents a beautiful panoramic landscape. At the tip of the eastern headland is Suwuk Beach, a place where a number of rivers flow into the landscape, transitioning from plain to hilly height. From this neatly arranged beach, move west by crossing the Large Telomoyo River. Or drive your vehicle along the JSS route and maximize the vehicle's power because we will be going up a winding uphill road between the hills. At the first stop there is Karangbolong Beach. This beach has steep cliff and is popular for its seaside cafes where thousands of swallows nest. The seabirds have become an icon of Kebumen Regency, and in the past their bird nests, which are very high in protein, were periodically downloaded and marketed at very high prices, thus becoming a component of regional income. One of the cafes here is in the form of a short tunnel which gives the impression of being a large hole in the rock. This is where the name Karangbolong supposedly comes from. Moving again to the west, we will meet Pasir Beach, which occupies a small niche decorated with curved natural bridges right at the edge of the open sea. Creeping again to the west, we will meet two other indented beaches, namely Pecaron, Srati Beach and Karangbata Beach. Both beaches are lined with steep cliff, but if Pecaron Beach is made of fine sand with coral boulders of various sizes scattered here and there, then Karangbata Beach is only paved with black boulders the size of bricks. Just to the west of Karangbata Beach we will find Menganti Beach, the new favorite tourist attraction which is now being talked about everywhere. Different from the beaches mentioned above, Menganti Beach has white sand. Between Karangbata and Menganti beaches there is only a small cape called Tanjung Karangbata. If our vehicle continues to drive west along the road that goes up and down, we will see another indented beach, namely Pedalen Beach. From here, tighten your vehicle's brakes, because the road to the west continues to decline until it finally ends at the western edge of Tanjung Karangbolong, to an organized and quite popular tourist attraction, Logending Beach. Like Suwuk Beach, Logending Beach is where a river empties into a landscape that transitions from plain to hilly height. the beautiful beaches that stretch between Suwok and Logending beaches are in the Tanjung Karang Bolong area, which is the Karang Bolong Karst area or Southern Gombong Karst area. Karst is an area with unique hydrological conditions as a result of rocks that dissolve easily, in this case limestone, and have well-developed secondary porosity. As a result, a karst area has several distinctive characteristics. Among them are having close basins, dry valleys in various sizes, very rarely having rivers on the ground surface, and on the contrary having underground drainage, rivers, and abundant caves. All these characteristics are found in Karang Bolong Karst. The high rainfall and the large number of cracks that cut through the limestone have made the Karang Bolong Karst colored by cone-like hills that are connected to each other with star-like depressions in between, a characteristic of Kegel rocks. There are at least 69 limestone caves in this area, 2 of which are quite popular and are mainstay tourist attractions in Kebumen Regency, namely Jati Jajar Cave and Petruk Cave. This does not include the caves on Karang Bolong Beach, which are not limestone caves. A number of these caves are also flowed by strong underground rivers, and some of them have waterfalls in the caves. At a number of points, underground rivers emerge from the ground to become surface rivers. Even in the Surupan Cave, which is located to the west of Menganti Beach, the underground river water that has just come out of the cave immediately meets the steep cliff on the Soreline, becoming the unique Sawangan waterfall. Everything is truly an extraordinary natural panorama, a gift given from God. However, Karang Bolong Karst is not only colored by limestone rocks. At certain points on the seashore, terrain rocks are found that are completely different. These rocks are black, dark, hard, and similar to the igneous rocks that we can find in volcanic areas as a result of solidifying lava. Apart from that, other terrain rocks were also found at other points. The rock looks like limestone but is strangely very rich in silica. Even limestone containing gold has been found. Silica and gold are basically special minerals that can normally only be found in igneous rocks. Meanwhile, in the middle of the limestone hills, you can find at least 3 terrain hills which are also composed of igneous rocks. So a bold conclusion emerges. Long ago in this area, several volcanoes on just two of which now only remain on the remains of ancient volcanoes. These are the ancient volcanoes of ancient volcanoes Here. However, further investigation revealed that a number of rock outcrops that at first glance resemble reef limestone have actually undergone some replacement of their constituent
of
minerals
ancient volcanoes
from
in
calcium
Tanjung
to
Karang
silica.
Bolong can
Minerals
in at least 7
also found
locations.
that should not
The
be
first
present
location
in
is the
limestone
most
but are
exotic
commonly
location,
found in
namely
igneous
at the
rocks
tip of the
produced
Karang
by
Bata Cafe
volcanic
on the east side
activity
of Menganti
in the
Beach.
form of jasperoids.
At the tip of this
Chalcedony
cafe,
and black
quartz
igneous rock
crystals
is exposed
with
limestone
which
to be
is
cracked
rich in
and silica.
a panorama similar
Jasperoids and
to
chalcedony
stony
pillars
quartz
on top
crystals
of
is
each
the
other.
product of the injection
From a
of
number of
relatively
pHs
high
of
temperature
pillars that were
hydrothermal
scattered by
more
the
than
seawater.
600
It was
degrees
discovered that the
Celsius
pillars were
originating
blocks of
from
stony.
magma into the limestone.
Geologically,
The introduction
these blocks of blackish rock
acidic
are lava
fluid
that
solidifies
solidifies
the
slowly
calcium
and
in the
undergoes
limestone
fracturing
to
which
dissolve
continues to develop
replaced
until
by
it
colloidal
becomes
silica
rock with
over
columnar
time.
joints.
This colloid
This
evaporates
gradual
to
cooling
form a
generally
gel
occurs
and
when magma
eventually
infiltrates to a
solidifies
certain
as
depth
quartz
as
and
magmatic
chalcedony
cracks, clay
crystals.
cracks or volcanic necks. The second location is on Karangbata Beach, right on the east side of Cape Karangbata. All over this beach are scattered black brick-like rocks. Looking at its shape and the distance that is
From
quite
the
close to the outcrop of the column
can
at
be
the
said
tip of
that
the
the central
Karangbata Cape,
volcanic
it can be assumed that the
environment is
boulders
found
get
at
from
the
the
tip
column
of the
at the tip
Karangbata
of the
Cape
Cape
and
which was
Karangbata
hit by
Beach
the storm.
as outcrops
And
the
the third
terms of
location is
columnar
on
igneous
Karangbolong
rock
and
as
Pasir
well
beaches.
as on Boleng
Here
Hill,
lava breccia
Gading Hill
rocks
and
are
Arjuna
exposed.
Hill.
On
as
the Karangbolong
magmatic
Beach,
intrusion.
the lava breccia
Meanwhile,
even
the
experience
distal
erosion and
volcanic
continue to grow
environment
accompanied
is
by
exposed
collapse
until
until
the
it
Gabon
formed the
Formation,
Karangbolong
which
Cap.
colors half of
This
Tanjung
lava breccia
Karangbolong.
is oligomycene in
So,
area
there
or
may
maybe
be
at
at
least
least
4
15
ancient
million
volcanoes
years
in
ago.
this area whose magma channels include Tanjung Karangbata, Poleng Hill, Gadung Hill and Arjuna Hill. The fourth location is located on the cliff east of Logending Beach. There are no visible traces of
The
ancient
fifth location
volcanoes
is located
here.
on Poleng
However,
Hill,
1
further
kilometer is of
investigation
Logending revealed
toward the
that a
hills.
number of rock
The
outcrops
sixth
that
location
at
is
first
on
glance
Gadung Hill,
resemble
about 2
limestone
kilometers
have
southeast
actually
of Poleng
undergone
Hill,
some
and the seventh
replacement
location
of
is
their
on Arjuna
constituent
Hill,
minerals
about 3
from
kilometers
calcium to
northwest
silica.
of Karangbolong
Minerals
Beach.
rocks are also
The three
found
hills
that
are
should
composed
not
of
be
andesite
present in
igneous
igneous
rocks,
rocks are
which
commonly
date back
found
to
in
around
igneous
17
rocks
million years
produced by
ago.
volcanic
Apart
activity.
from the
In
seven
the form of
locations,
jasperoids,
traces of ancient
chalcedony
volcanic
and
activity are
quartz
generally
crystals,
also
with
found in
limestone
parts
which
of
is
the
rich in
Tanjung
silica.
Karangbolong area as
Jasperoids and
sedimentary rock
chalcedony
units
and
of
quartz
the Gabon
crystals is
Formation.
the product of the
This
injection
formation
of
is
relatively
dominated
high
by hot rock
temperature
deposits,
hydrothermal
pyroclastics
fluid,
originating
more
from
than
the
600
eruptions of
degrees
ancient underwater
Celsius,
volcanoes around
originating
10
from
million
magma
years
into the
ago.
limestone.
Material from the
introduction
eruption
of
of ancient
acidic
volcanoes
fluid
flowed
gels
into
the
the trenches
calcium
in the sea and
limestone
then
to
settled
dissolve
while being accompanied
replaced
by
by
underwater
colloidal
landslide
silica.
processes.
Over time, this
Later,
colloid
the sedimentary
evaporates to
trends
form
filled
a gel
with
and
eruption
eventually
material was slowly
solidified
lifted
as
until it
quartz
became
and
shallow
chalcedony
sea water which
crystals.
allowed coral animals to grow, which produced limestone deposits above it. This limestone is the main component of Karangbolong Karas.
From the C7 points, it can be said that the central volcanic facies environment is found at the tip of the Karangbata Cape and Karangbata Beach, as outcrops and chunks of
It is home for the Kebumen Regency
as well as on
government
Poleng
Hill,
area
Gadung Hill
and
and
Arjuna
Arjuna
Hill,
Hill,
as magmatic intrusions. Meanwhile, the distal volcanic facies environment is exposed as the Gabon Formation which colors half of Tanjung Karangbolong. So, there may be at least 4 ancient volcanoes in this area whose magma channels include Tanjung Karangbata, Poleng Hill, Gadung Hill and Arjuna Hill.
The fifth location is located on Poleng Hill, 1 kilometer east of Logending Beach toward the hills. The sixth location is on Gadung Hill, about 2 kilometers southeast of Poleng Hill, and the seventh location is on Arjuna Hill, about 3 kilometers north-northwest of Karangbolong Beach. The three hills are composed of andesite-type igneous rocks, which date back to around 17 million years ago. Apart from the C7 locations, traces of ancient volcanic activity are generally also found in parts of the Tanjung Karangbolong area as sedimentary rock units of the Gabon Formation. This formation is dominated by hot cloud deposits pyroclastics originating from the eruptions of ancient underwater volcanoes around 19 million years ago. Material from the eruption of ancient volcanoes flowed into deep trenches in the sea and then settled while being accompanied by underwater landslide processes. Later, the sedimentary trench filled with eruption material was slowly lifted until it became shallow seawater which allowed coral animals to grow, which produced limestone deposits above it. This limestone is the main component of Karangbolong
on the
Karas.
cliff east of Logending Beach. There are no visible traces of ancient volcanoes here. However, further investigation revealed that a number of rock outcrops that at first glance resemble reef limestone have actually undergone some replacement
It
of
is
their
homework for the
constituent
Kebumen
minerals
Regency
from
government to
calcium
map
to
this
silica.
area more
Minerals
thoroughly. Rocks are also found that should not be present in limestone economic feasibility for mining. Apart from that, the existence of Karambolong ancient volcanoes, Chalcedony and quartz crystals can be a factor in increasing the attractiveness of tourist attractions. Chalcedony and quartz crystals is the product of the injection of relatively high temperature hydrothermal fluid, more than 600 degrees Celsius, originating from magma into the limestone. The introduction of hot, acidic fluid causes the calcium in the limestone to dissolve. 2007 over time, the origins of the formation of malformed gel and eventually solidified as quartz and Chalcedony. Indonesian Geological Journal, Vol. 2 September 2007, page 143-158, Bronto, 2012. Mount Padang based on volcano geological parts. It can be cited the Central Volcanic and National Archaeological Research and Karambata Suprapto 2010 as limestone and tombs of Golmari Geological as well as on Polling Hill 5 December and Arjuna 2010 as magmatic in 7 belts. Meanwhile, the Misal Volcanic 2000 Environment Hydrothermal Alteration Gabon Formation Karangbolong region of Tanjung Karangbolong, Central Java, Nejek for ancient volcanoes in this area. 2 July December in Tanjung Karambata, Polling Hill, Gadung Hill and Arjuna Hill. Gares Formations, UBI Bandung, Ansori et al. 2010 Evaluation of the potential and conservation of the iron sand mining area on the south coast route in Purworejo, Kebumen. The fifth location is located on Polling Hill, 1 km east of information and toward the conservation. The sixth location is on Gadung Hill, about 2 km southeast of Polling Java, and the seventh location is on Arjuna modern volcano 3 km north-northwest of Karangbolong Beach. The three hills are composed of andesite type igneous rocks, which date back to around 17 million years ago. Apart from the seven locations, explore watches of ancient volcanic social media are generally also found in district government Tanjung Karangbolong Java, Indonesia. Units of Hadi Hasan Rise. This formation is dominated by hot rock deposits pyroclastics originating from the eruptions of ancient underwater volcanoes around 10 million years ago. Material from the eruption of ancient volcanoes flowed into deep trenches in the sea and then settled while being accompanied by underwater landslide processes. Later, the sedimentary trench filled with eruption material was slowly lifted until it became shallow seawater which allowed coral animals to grow, which produced limestone deposits above it. This limestone is the main component of Karangbolong Karas. It is homework for the Kebumen Regency government to map this area more thoroughly, sort out its valuable metal content and